Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to protect your password. Digital transformation is moving towards Internet of Things and big data is sitting on cloud platform and everyone is keen to use next generation of applications. All of us will be having hundreds of online accounts and we can't remember all complex password combinations with uppercase, lowercase, special character and numbers. One solution is to get a password manager, and there are some password managers available in the market such as KeePass, RoboForm, LastPass, Flash ID and 1Password. In this video I will use my Excel sheet as a password manager and my USB stick as a storage device and let you know how you can use your brain to encrypt and decrypt your password. Also, I will show you some other methods to add more security. Let's create an Excel file. Let me copy my demo passwords. We can protect this file from opening by adding password. And save as, go to save as file. Let's call it as a secure. Go to tools, channel options, and we can put a password here. And we can save it. If you want, you can add a password on a zip if you are making as a zip file as well. Let me transfer this file into USB, which is a BitLocker enabled disk. As you might know, BitLocker is a data protection feature available on some edition of Windows like Windows 7 and Windows 10 Pro. But if your operating system doesn't support BitLocker, then you can attach your USB stick to a machine which support BitLocker and you can do encryption as well. Now I can move this file into this disk. Let's call this file as it. To add more security, I can do another encryption, which I have to do on another machine. I can encrypt this with another password. So now we have two passwords, one for the BitLocker, one for this encryption. So if we click on this file, it will give error because of encryption. So now we have three levels of password till now. First, to protect the file from opening, second for the BitLocker, third for the encryption via Symantec. Let me take out this disk. Now let's say you lose your USB. So at the first level, someone need to break your BitLocker password and key. Let's say you are very unlucky and someone already break your password. If you move your encrypted file, someone needs to break another file as well because they can't open this file. Let's say someone already break your file. Okay, let's open your file. It will ask for your password. That's your third level of security. Okay, so question is what I did new here. Everyone can see my password. What if I say I drink 2 coffee a day, which cost me $10? It will not make any sense to any one of you, but believe me, my decryption key is sitting in that phrase. The password you are looking at my screen is not my real password. Let's see how I use my brain to decrypt it. From this phrase, I made some decode combination which only I know and I didn't share with anybody else. For the demo point of view, let me share my screen, but you don't need to write this phrase anywhere else. So as I said, my phrase was I drink 2 coffee a day, which cost me $10. From this phrase, I make some combination. I convert number 2 into character 2, and I convert character C into $sign. So the password used looking at the screen in first sheet was my decrypted password. Even if you can see my password, if you stole my this spreadsheet, you will never going to break this password because this is not the real password. So these combinations you should keep in your brain. You don't need to write anywhere else. To decrypt, simply copy your password and copy into your notepad. Never do decryption in the whole spreadsheet in one go. Otherwise you will mix all your passwords. So suppose you want to decrypt this password. As per the keys, you have to replace $sign with C. To replace all, and now you have to replace T with number 2. So as you can see, this is my original password which I choose earlier. So this way you can choose your combinations and you can choose your own phrase that you can remember very easily. But still your password can be stolen if your application provider security is compromised or someone map your brain like old movie Total Recall. Okay, as I said, never ever write down this phrase anywhere else and don't share this phrase with anyone else as well. Also don't lose your mind as well. If you lose your mind, you will lose your password. Okay guys, it's time for my coffee. I mean real coffee. I hope you enjoy it and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.